I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You already have admin access and a tuner. Now start by plugging in the tuner and installing any OS drivers. Once detected, open Jellyfin and go to Live TV in the admin dashboard. You will add a tuner adapter immediately. Choose the correct adapter type and supply IP or device path. Make sure your EPG source credentials or XML-TV file are ready, because you will add them in the next step to map channels and guide data. You will now configure the tuner adapter and link EPG data. After adding the adapter, run a channel scan and tune a couple of channels to confirm signal. Next, import your XML-TV file or connect the provider EPG, then map scan channels to guide entries so recordings show correct metadata. Once done, set a DVR folder with sufficient space and verify Jellyfin can write there. This prevents failed recordings later. You finish by scheduling a short test recording and immediately play it back on another device. This validates recording, guide mapping, and transcoding. If playback stutters, enable hardware acceleration or lower bitrate profiles and retest. Make sure recording retention and cleanup rules match your storage plan. If something goes wrong, check Jellyfin server logs, confirm no tuner conflicts, and verify firewall or router port forwarding. These steps usually reveal permission, device, or network issues that block live TV functionality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.